Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my wash and go routine. I'm going to be using the Olive and Tea Tree Co-Wash by As I Am. For my deep conditioner, I'm using Deva Curl's Melt into Moisture Conditioning Mask. I'm using Mitch Chit's Leave-In Conditioner. And today I'm going to be trying Style Factor's Edge Booster Gel for the first time. So I wore a wash and go which lasted about 5 days, and on the 6th and 7th day I just wore it in a low ponytail, but this wash and go lasted for a good while. After saturating my hair, I'm going to start with the co-wash, and the Olive and Tea Tree co-wash is very creamy, and for some reason when I use it, it is a bit messy. The other co-washes from As I Am is not as messy, but this one is for me for some reason, but I still love it. I'm applying it in 2 sections, and then I will apply it into 4 sections. So I like to massage this particular co-wash into my scalp because I love the tingly feeling I get from the tea tree oil that's in it. I like to detangle with the co-wash in my hair, so I'm using Felicia Leatherwood's brush. So after rinsing the co-wash, my hair feels clean and ready for deep conditioning. Before applying Deva Curl's Melt into Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask, I'm going to spray more water into my hair. Now this mask is really good. It leaves my hair with so much moisture. It's creamy and it's not too heavy. I'm making sure my ends are coated as it is definitely the most driest part of my hair. To seal in all this good moisture, I'm taking Uniqurl's hair sealing oil This oil not only seals in the moisture, but it keeps my ends mended as well.
Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed.
And I left the conditioning mask on for about 15 minutes. So my hair is moisturized and defined and it's pretty soft. I'm using Mixed Curls leave-in conditioner, and I like to apply this all over in large sections and rake the product through. This is still one of my favorite leave-ins because it's hydrating and it works well at defining my curls. It's an OG, but I love it. I'm using Style Edge Booster Gel for the first time, and I'm really excited to give it a try. So I am applying the gel in small sections and working the product in by using the raking method. I can see the curl definitions. So far, so good. This gel has the curls popping, but you all know the truth is when the hair dries, so we shall see. Let me know in the comment section if you tried Style Factor's Edge Booster Gel, and if so, what were your thoughts on it? I really want to know. The raking method helps in defining the curls. I also like to use the praying hands method to smooth the hair, and it also helps in making sure that the gel is applied evenly. After air drying, I'm using Aloe's Lemongrass Sleek and Shine Finishing Oil. And y'all, let me tell you, the oil was no help. This gel had my hair so crunchy. Now, I love a little bit of crunch, but this crunch that I had to get a thick cream to break that cast, so I got my good old faithful Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and it was a lifesaver. I would still use the gel because I love the curl definition and the shine, but I would definitely use a butter or cream underneath, or you can apply the cream over top like I just did because it will break the cast all the way down. But overall, I love this wash and go look. I will have a video on how I stretch my wash and go because lately I've been doing something a little bit different than the pineapple method. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That completes this wash and go routine and my first impression on the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.